Hi, this is Dr. Mervin. In this video, we are going to see how to calculate the median. So how do we define the median? The median is defined as the value of the middle term in a data set that has been ranked in increasing order. So the calculation of the median consists of the following two steps. First, rank the dataset in increasing order. Ranking means putting it in either ascending or descending order. Here, we are going to use the ascending order. The second step is find the middle term in a dataset with n values. The value of this term is the median. So, the value of median for ungrouped data is given by value of n plus 1 by 2th term in a ranked dataset. Let's see an example of how to calculate the median for the data. So the following data gives the weight lost in pounds by a sample of 5 members of a health club at the end of 2 months of membership. So the values are 10, 5, 19, 8, 3. We are asked to find the median. So first we rank the given data in increasing order as follows: 3, 5, 8, 10 and 19. There are 5 observations in the dataset. Consequently, n equal to 5 and position of the middle term is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Here n is equal to 5, so 5 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3. Therefore, the median is the value of the third term in the ranked data. The ranked data is 3, 5, 8, 10 and 19. So the third term is 8. So the median weight loss for this sample of 5 members of this health club is 8 pounds. In the previous example, the number of data values was an odd number. If the number of data values are even number, then how do we calculate the median? So let's see an example for the number of data values which is even. So below, the list of the total revenue for 12 top grossing North American concert tours of all time is given. Find the median revenue for these data. So the values are given and we are asked to find the median. Here there are 12 data values. So this is an even number. So first we rank the given data in increasing order as follows. So the ascending order of the data values are given here. There are 12 values in this data set. Hence n equal to 12 and position of the middle term is equal to n plus 1 by 2. So 12 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 6.5. Therefore, the median is given by the mean of the 6th and the 7th values in the ranked data set. So, the 6th value is 82.1 and the 7th value is 86.8. So, 6.5 is in between that. So for the median calculation, we take the 6th value and the 7th value. So we take 82.1 and 86.8 and add the two values and divide by 2. So we get 84.45, which is the median. Thus, the median revenue for the 12 top grossing North American concert tours of all time is $84.45 million. The median gives the center of a histogram with half the data values to the left of the median and half to the right of the median. The advantage of using the median as a measure of central tendency is that it is not influenced by outliers. Consequently, the median is preferred over the mean as a measure of central tendency for data sets that contain outliers. With this, calculating the median value is over. If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe to this video. Thank you.